So I also teach a 6-month psychic boot camp. It sounds like the rooster wants to join the 6-month psychic boot camp. So the 6-month psychic boot camp has a prerequisite, which is the 2-month energy meditation. Psychic boot camp is built on energy meditation because that's the foundation and the launch pad to more advanced techniques to discover different perspectives of how to access your intuition. So every week you'll learn a new technique, a new tool of how to develop your intuition in a new way, how to read a past life, how to understand what auras and chakras are and how they influence our health, how to speak to spirits without bodies, how to protect your energy from psychic attacks, how to give healings, how to give miracle healings, how to manage your dream space. You'll also learn more in depth about who you are through these classes. It is a condensed version of a year-long program, so it does take some dedication of wanting to develop yourself and be open to your intuition, but I promise you it will change your life, it will change your perspective of the world, it will change your perspective of yourself, and you'll feel like you understand yourself better because everybody every day is having intuitive experiences, but most people haven't been given language or structure to make it useful for them, and I feel like I'm the perfect person to teach you these tools since I've been intuitive since I was a little girl, and these classes help me become more refined in my information, that I'm able to help more people with it. I'm able to navigate situations better, and I've had hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of students that it's changed their life and given them more groundedness in experiences that they were already having. So I hope you'll join me, take the 2-month energy meditation, and then rejoin me for the 6-month psychic boot camp, and I promise you it will be a life-changing experience. I have a money-back guarantee. Lots of love. Aloha.